Nuclear power plant warning. Nuclear power plant warning. This is not a test. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Burke County Emergency Management and the Georgia Emergency Management Agency. A nuclear power plant warning has been issued for residents within a 100-mile radius of the Vogtle electric generating plant due to a total meltdown of reactor number 2. An earthquake with a preliminary magnitude of 5.7 on the Richter scale has struck the Vogtle nuclear power plant, which can pose an extreme threat to life or property. Because of the possible threat of a nuclear explosion and the release of radioactive materials into the atmosphere, all residents within the mentioned radius of the Vogtle electric generating plant are strongly advised to immediately evacuate. While you evacuate, tie a white towel to a visible part of your home such as your door or mailbox to notify your local civil authorities that you abided the evacuation order. Gather all necessary supplies, such as food, water, clothing, medical supplies, a first aid kit, and a battery-powered radio or hand crank with extra batteries. Evacuate the area in a safe and swift manner. Wear a gas mask rated NBC to protect yourself from being exposed to radioactive fallout. Fallout is the byproduct of nuclear attacks and explosions. Prolonged exposure to fallout will result in certain death. Fallout can possibly spread over a large area from the explosion location. To repeat, an earthquake has struck the Vogtle electric generating plant, and a meltdown of the plant is occurring. To protect your life, evacuate now. I repeat, evacuate now. Please stay tuned to local station and media outlets for more information on this life-threatening situation.
You